Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Firstly, I would like to wish a very happy new year to all of you who are watching my video. Moving forward, today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is advanced in painting by using Flux. So, I'll take two different pictures and combine them into one. So it looks like they were always meant to be together. The best part, it will look 100% real like magic. First, download the workflow by visiting ComfyUI From there, you can easily download the workflow. Open ComfyUI and load the workflow. The workflow is divided into three parts, as you can see here. AutoPrompt, Inpaint plus Style Transfer. In this section, you need to upload two images. The workflow will automatically handle the rest. Manual text prompt in Paint. Here you manually add text prompt to guide the model based on our preferences. Next is Inpaint without Flux Redux. This section allows you to inpaint without using Flux Redux. Next, now coming back to the first model, let's load the diffusion model. For this, you will need the Flux T1 fill model. You can download the link from here and save it in the ComfyUI diffusion model folder. If you have low VRAM, you can opt for the Flux 1 Fill Dev FP8 file instead. For the dual clip loader, follow these steps. Select the Flux text encoder file T5XXL FP16 for clip name 1. And for clip name 2, choose Clip I Flux and set the type to Flux. Now, let's move to the style model. Download the link from here and save it in your folder by the name Style Model. Finally, for the Load Clip Vision, you'll need this SigClip Vision Patch 14384 file. You can download it from here and you have to save it in your Clip Vision folder. Let's start by working on the first group and disabling the others. First, upload the image you want to inpaint. For example, I have uploaded this image which shows a young girl standing in front of a vintage style brick building. She is wearing a white short sleeved shirt tucked into a pleated grey skirt with a black belt. The lighting indicates an outdoor setting on a sunny day with soft natural tones and a warm ambience. And for that, I want a spider woman instead of this girl in this picture. So for this, I have uploaded the style of spider woman, which I want as a final one in the second image. As a reference, as you can see here. Please note, I am uploading the very same image in my Inpaint group as well without giving the reference. First, mask the girl in the first image to achieve the desired result. Once it's done, this workflow will automatically generate the text prompt for both images. And if you want to add any other text, you can edit here, and in the first group also we will do the masking. In the Inpaint group also we will do the masking and add the text prompt as Spider Woman. Now generate the result. We have got the final result of Inpaint group. Here you can see the model hasn't given the desired result as we wanted, but you can see this has generated this spider woman as we had given in the text prompt. This is also a good version. Now coming back to the first group, here also the result has been generated and you can see the result. It is generated by Redux and it is exactly the same spider woman with the same expression and facial details as the previous girl had, and we had given in the prompt also, text prompt also. You can see the background is also the same. The lighting indicates an outdoor setting on a sunny day with soft natural tones and a warm ambience. which were in the previous picture also. Now let's try another example in which I'll upload this picture. So you can see, so it is a picture of a mad scientist, and in the second image I will upload a joker picture. Now mask the required area. Now I have done the masking and I want this joker instead of this mad scientist. As I told you before, the model will generate the text prompt automatically. And now let's generate the result. The final result has been generated and it is commendable. Now the result has been generated and you can see the facial details are looking like exact the same. And this is how you can generate the images by using this workflow. Now let's go to the manual text prompt. Here I will upload two images. First one is this spider woman and the another one is this girl. Now let's do the masking. Here I have given the prompt a spider woman and rest of the details will be the same. Now let's generate the image. Now the result has been generated and you can see we have not got the same style and the colors as we can see in this picture, but we have got it in first group. That's all for the today's video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this one. Thank you.